We're back here. I take a second ago. I was trying to video Shell doing a little backhoe work. Guys, we kind of turned the corner and got out of sight for a second. He's bad to take off and run somewhere if you don't keep a real close eye on him, so I had to go track him down. Like I was saying, we're scooping dirt out of this piles, trying to carry him down here where the field here kind of slopes off, gets low, and dumping it in and trying to rake it down, keep it fairly level as we go. I say it's far enough down this way. Start right there where that pile is and bring. Make sure we have enough dirt. This is kind of what we're doing here, just kind of build this up where it's low, get rid of this pile of dirt. Probably still won't get it quite level, but at least it'll flatten it out some. We'll try to keep it good drainage and everything. But it ain't got a real big hole in it or whatever have you. We got rock on top of rock to pull out here. So anyway, this is what we're doing here. Still gotta try to get all this dirt down. I'd like to try to get this down. Supposed to rain tomorrow evening, so I'd like to get all this down. That way, as soon as it dries up the next time, we'll try to get that guy to come help me get this plowed up and try to plow and disc and do some rotor tilling to it and get rocks out and big bunch of mess got to get done. It's going to take a while to do it, but well. I don't know, it won't be too bad maybe. But anyway, this is what we're getting done today. This is the evening, March the 23rd, I guess. I don't know, I guess it's probably going about 4 o'clock, a little after. But anyway, we'll holler at y'all later. Peace out.